Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you that line to Atto, how to get in line to Atto. So today you're going to go first in Roblox. As you can see, JK 7 just released line to Atto today, like in the Philippines and other countries and more. So today, line to Atto is now released. And I just found out when I look at JK 7 accounts, and look what I found. Line 2 Atto. Line 2 Atto or Line 2 Automatic. Line 2 Atto Automatic Train Operation, a flagship Roblox project by JK, a right clear transit authority line to in Manila, Philippines. He's the one that I just found out. Look when I play this, guys. Look, guys. Look when I join the game right now. As you can see, I'm the only one in this server. This game does not support private servers, but maybe soon they will add private servers. So yeah, as you can see, the machine still does not work. I'm pressing it right now, and they're not working. Even if you press the blue or white or black button, nothing's going to happen, or red button. Look at this. When I go up all these, nope, wrong way. When I go up over here, this is way to Antipolo station. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging, guys. Look, guys. You see this, guys? Let's go Antipolo. Oh wait, no, that was the right one. Why am I am I drunk? I'm a little kid. I can't be drunk like this. Whoa! You see, guys? To Antipolo. That's where we're going to go, Antipolo over there. See those railways over there? That's all. But the thing is not here yet. Unfortunately, you can get this microphone or this go sign. But I don't really have tested it yet. This is actually my first time in here. Well, we're going to wait until the train arrives. If no train arrives, this is fake. This is not automatic. There's no train here in this game. But maybe the devs is with you. Maybe they can spawn a train or something. Oopsies, did I do that? So guys, yeah, that is the whole tour of this line to Atto game with some roads and other stations. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. And as always, stay sideways. Don't sim. Peace.